it's going to have glossy purple fruit, as you can see, that are in clusters. And you can see where the flower, what the flower looks like too. There's the flower right there, or what's left of the flower. It's going to have toothed margins. Tooth dentate, I guess. Margins. Actually, that almost looks more serrated to me.
Looks like edamame, but they don't want to eat it.
Don't eat it, they're poisonous.
Oh, it looks so good. You want to kill some crap.
These are not edible. I don't know if they're necessarily poisonous, but they're not edible. Opposite, the leaves are really thin, pubescent. If you look at the bud, it's got a foliose bud, which means that it looks kind of like little baby leaves. See it? And it's really pubescent. Look at the stems. Look how pubescent the stems are. Okay,
Wait,
so
which one is it?
It's a little baby.
this one. Pinnately compound leaves. It was just pruned back, so that's why it looks kind of abruptly
Stopped?
Yeah. Pinnately compound alternate leaves. It's gonna have fragrant. I'm almost
I'm 4 years old.
Fragrant white flowers,
Oh,
which
the
They have-
leaves smell bad too.
yeah, they do. Well, they kind of have a good smell.
Oh, that breeze feels good.
It has a very unique smell to the leaves.
Let's have a smell.
Also, the flowers are. I'm trying to find some flowers on here. It doesn't really. The flowers are kind of gone. But if you look at the seed pod, it's kind of a sickle-like seed pod. Kind of looks like a kidney.
Well, I heard the name comes from the
Any
inside.
guesses as to which family this is in? Good job. Malvaceae. It's gonna be your typical mallow-like flower. And Dr. Arnold describes this as kind of a cuddly plant. If you touch the leaf, it's really, really soft. Hart,
It is really
your
soft.
camera.
It's a tough camera.
Like a rabbit.
Feel how
It is
soft.
soft.
Feel how soft the leaf is.
Oh my god.
Obviously, it suckers into little colonies. The leaf is almost heart-shaped, almost cordate, with serrations on the margin. Really, really soft. Pink flowers. It's native to the hill country. If you look at the stem, it's got white pubescence on the stem. So even the stem is soft. You just want to cuddle up with it. Okay, so the leaves, if you look at them, are teeny, tiny, lobed leaves.
What plant is this?
Apache Plume, Fallugia, paradoxa.
Paradox. In layman's terms?
Yeah.
It's a paradox.
Apache Plume. So the leaves almost kind of look like parsley too. Yeah, but they're little. They're so tiny. And they can have anywhere from 3 to 7 lobes on the leaf. You see how they're lobed?
Yeah.
They're tiny.
So this is an example of a 3, and they have up to 7.
Yes. It's gonna have an airy texture. The flowers are gonna be white to pink, 5-petaled flowers.
Wow, look at that. Is that the seed?
Yeah, that's the,
Wow, that is freaky looking.
almost kind of looks like a smoke cloud plume. But yeah, this is the seed pod. Their leaves are simple and alternate, but they are pinnately lobed. So it's going to have pinnately compound leaves that are glossy green. The leaflets are kind of linear. Well, I don't know. I guess I wouldn't really say that was linear. They're kind of linear. They look kind of linear to me. Lanceolate shaped. They're opposite. And they will start flowering mid to late spring and flower until frost. And if you look at the linear seed pods, meaning it's in the Bignoniaceae family, and it's also got the typical Bignoniaceae flower on it. Flowers in panicles, golden yellow. I almost just grabbed the bee down there, so that's cool. Serrated margin. The rachis also sometimes can be winged. Winged.
Where? Oh, here.
Yeah.
A little bit.
I've gotten stung with one. I'm not allergic to bees, but I couldn't breathe.
Yeah.
Like I got stung, I was like, I thought I was gonna die. I needed to kill it. Oh, this one.
Any questions on tree yellow bell? Yes. Flame Acanthus.
This thing.
It's anti-climate.
Can't go from
Anisacanthus.
the yellow bells to
Quadrifidus. Variation wrightii.
This is all the same plant. All this.
Yes. So, opposite, simple, lanceolate leaves. They're kind of a medium green in color. They're entire. They have an orange to red, four-petaled flower. You can see right here. A good ID characteristic about this one is when it goes dormant in the winter, the stems are bone white.